Yeah, hello dear student. Today lesson is keeping fit, page 48 in science. Objectives. First, what is fitness? Second, energy and muscles. What is the relationship between the energy and the muscle? And third, fitness and diet. Does our food that we eat affect our fitness or not? We start now with fitness. How we describe people that they are fit or not. What I mean when I say somebody is fit, it doesn't mean that the normal activities we do. Each one of us, every day, he can walk, climb up the stairs, come down the stairs, carry on a bag or a sack, or carry simple activities. This is not have to do with fitness. Though, for those people which are overweight, they are not fit, they can also not do these simple activities. So what we mean by fit are people which can do vigorous exercises, very strong exercises, and they can do it without no stress. They can do it very freely, just like these two girls that they are running. Maybe they are running now for 1 hour or 1 hour and a half, and still I feel they are speaking with each other about a lot of things between themselves. Why? Because they don't feel stressed. They are running, they are very fit, their inner organ, they are working very properly, no problem, because they are fit people. What is the meaning of fit people? Fit people have fit organs inside. They have a fit way of life, a very healthy way of life. What does that mean? A person which is fit, he have to be principial, also mentally healthy, because mental and physical are not separated from each other. So if you are mentally healthy, you are also going to be physically healthy, and you are eating healthy food. You are living a normal life, a healthy way of life. What is the meaning of a way of life? It means your daily plan. When you wake up, when you sleep at night, what do you eat? How many hours you exercise each day? Do you practice a certain sport every week? This is your way of life. The way of life affects very much your physical health, at the end your fitness. So when you are fit, you can make vigorous exercises without you are feeling very tired. But as I said at the start, people which are overweight, even the simple work activities which we do every day, like climbing a stair or running for 10 seconds, an overweight person, if he runs for 10 seconds, you feel that he is very stressed and he start to breathe very quickly, and he didn't nothing, only he ran for 10 seconds. Why is that? We shall see in the next page. We have the inner organs, and when we make a certain activity, we shall go in this direction, in this way. What is here? A certain pair. This guy is training, he's running. When you start to run, your muscle will realize that you have to achieve more power. More power means more energy. More energy means that the cells in the muscles, the cells in the tissues of the muscles have to produce more energy. But how can these cells produce more energy? They need more oxygen and sugar. From where they get this oxygen and sugar? From the blood. So the blood, from where he gets his oxygen? From the breathing, from the lungs. So the athletic starts to breathe faster. Why he breathes faster? He breathes faster so that he can bring more oxygen into the body. And when he brings more oxygen into the body have to deliver this oxygen as soon as possible to the cells so that she can produce power. So that means the heart have to beat faster now. So the heart is beating faster so that he can pump blood too much, so that the blood reaches the tissue cells as soon as possible, so that the cells can produce power. And then when the oxygen and the sugar, which is carried by the blood plasma, comes to the cells in a good quantity, the cells starts to respire faster and produce more energy, which will be this energy will be enough for the athletic to run. So it is just like a circle. First, the muscle need energy. This energy comes from the respiration of the cells, but she need more oxygen and more sugar so that she can make more power. This comes for more breathing of air inside, so that this air more oxygen goes to the blood, and this blood have to come as soon as possible, as quick as possible to the cells. That means the heart have to beat now much more harder, okay, and then so that the blood, so that the oxygen and sugar comes as soon as possible to the cell, so that the cell can respire and produce energy, so that the athletic can run faster and faster. So now you can imagine for an overweight person, you have a lot of mass on him. The arteries, maybe they have fat is built up in the arteries of a fat person, and without running, the heart of an overweight person is stressed, because the heart have to make more power, have to make more work to pump blood. Without running, he's stressed, So you can imagine when an overweight, then he's running, so then it will be double stress for him, because the heart, he's already tired, and when he runs he have to pump also a lot of blood through these narrow arteries which are blocked up with fat. So that's why the overweight person, he feels tired, he cannot run or do simple activities in his normal daily life. Does the diet affect our fitness? Yes, of course. Diet is the food, is the type of food you eat. You have to eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet, you have a balanced diet, that means that you get not all, but most of the nutrients and vitamins and minerals that your body needs. This is very important, because nobody can eat all the minerals or all the, no, but it have to be more than 70-80% you are eating a healthy food with the most wanted nutrients or vitamins, and that means you don't have to eat all the week only spaghetti, or you have to eat all the week only soup and rice, because you have to eat a variety of types of food and vegetables, so that your body will be delivered with the nutrients. And this is very important for the health of your organs, your heart, your arteries, your liver, because they are all work. The body is just like the human body, is just like a system working to keep you fit. So you have to support your system. How you support your system? You support your system by sleeping early. You support your system by waking up early, because this is very healthy. You support your system to make 10 to 20 minutes every day a very simple sport. Eat healthy food, a very balanced food with nutrients and vitamins. In this way you can support very well your organ, and you support your body, so that you can practice vigorous exercises when you don't feel nothing. Why overweight people are unfit? As I said, because they have more mass and they need more energy, and the heart is already tired, because the blood have to pump not for 70 kilos, the heart have to pump for 140 kilos, so double the work of pumping, beside the fat deposits inside the arteries. As I said, you have a fat deposit inside, build up of fat inside the arteries, which makes the flowing of blood very hard through these arteries. This is make it even more worse for the heart to pump blood. It will be more stress for the heart to pump blood, beside the more mass and beside the tired heart because of this overweight. So I have a question for you. Question: explain from a circularity system and cells respirations point of view why an overweight person gets tired quickly by training. If you answer me correctly, send the answers with private WhatsApp today. On your private WhatsApp, you shall have 2 marks on your quiz, on your last science quiz. But please pay attention. I want an explanation from a circularity system point of view and cell respirations point of view. Okay, pay attention. Send me the answers with private WhatsApp. Thank you very much for your attention. Wish you a nice day.